Hello everyone, now Microsoft Store not available in Windows 11 LTSC. Now I will show you how to install Microsoft Store in Windows 11 LTSC. Guys, you can use timestamps in description. Let's check together to find Microsoft Store. Oh, there is not here. Let's install Microsoft Store in Windows 11 LTSC. Open folder or extract file. Copy folder from right-click or from Explorer. Paste it in C drive. Now copy address. Search Windows PowerShell and run as admin starter. Write CD, paste address folder. Go to Install Ion folder, open Installator. Select all and copy. Paste in Windows PowerShell, hit enter. Microsoft, please add Microsoft Store in next update in Windows 11 LTSC, like Windows 8, 8.1, 10 and 11 original. This Install Ion will take a few minutes. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Okay, nice. Let's see everything in Microsoft Store. You can download apps and games from Store. Also, you can update apps and systems. Let's explore apps. Unfortunately, there is no Windows Defender in Windows 11 LTSC. You can download from Microsoft Store. Microsoft, please add Windows Defender. It's very important. Now, we are ending this video. Like video, subscribe my channel, active notification, write a comment how was this video to review. Good luck.